This is Dr. Joanna Faith with the Earth to Spirit Ministry. I wanted to share a little bit about Boswellia oil extract and how it can be an ally for you on the golf course. All right, so Boswellia oil extract. I make it with some olive oil and some coconut oil to extract these powerful medicinal boswellic acids. Boswellic acids are found in Boswellia species. Frankincense is one Boswellia species, and there is some frankincense in here, but the more medicinal cousin of frankincense, Boswellia serrata, is what we're really featuring. Boswellia serrata has a very high concentration of anti-inflammatory compounds. It has compounds that have been shown to downregulate cancer, compounds that have been shown to stimulate cartilage repair. So even for people who are quote unquote bone on bone, we can increase the amount of cartilage that's present noticeably after just a few months of use. So the Boswellia oil extract is something that we apply topically. If my shoulder's hurting, I'll take a couple squirts of it and I'll rub it right into the area that I'm experiencing pain. If I just had a surgery, I can apply the Boswellia oil in that area. After doing that for once or twice a day, you can do it more for an acute injury, but once or twice a day for 7 days, most people will notice a significant reduction in pain. After doing it for longer, you'll actually be able to help prevent the aggregation of scar tissue or the buildup of scar tissue. You'll help promote the formation of healthy soft tissues and improve the degree to which the injury or the affected area of the body can repair and recover. This can help to prevent recurring injuries. I wish I had known about it when I was an athlete. I kept getting ankle injuries and I kept getting shoulder injuries. And when you're working with the Boswellia, you can decrease the level of scar tissue that's present, increase the degree to which healing happens, and help reduce the likelihood of recurring injuries. So if somebody were to start working with it for a shoulder injury, for instance, typically you want to take a little bit of rest, not be so active and dependent on that shoulder for your physical activity, but then you want to put it on at least twice a day, every day. And after 7 days, you should notice a significant reduction or a significant change, but keep using it because that's just the start. You want to continue until the pain stops completely. And then that length of time, if it's 2 weeks before you no longer feel pain, then continue using it for another 2 weeks and another. Because through that entire process, you're helping the soft tissues to rebuild. You're helping the scar tissues to dissolve. And for something like a chronic injury, something that's been around for years, you want to use it for a span of time that's comparable to the amount of time that injury has been present. It's also really good for arthritis. It's good for so many different things. It's good for tendinitis, right? Tennis elbow, as they say. The knees take a little bit longer, and sometimes shoulders take a little bit longer to notice change because the soft tissues that are affected are often very much buried deeper under the joint. But a lot of things like a wrist or an elbow, you can notice a reduction in pain within a couple days and cessation of the injury completely within a few weeks in very many cases. It's great for chronic spine injuries. It's even great just for relaxing at the end of the day, for helping tell the fascia that it can relax and release. It's great for massage. Likewise for many forms of headaches, sore muscles, and all variety of joint pain. I hope it can be an ally for you on the golf course. I love hearing testimonials and the way that you work with it. It's also, finally, it's a great thing for skin. And so if you have a day where you're overexposed, it's not going to completely take a sunburn away, but it's going to improve, your resilience to sun damage. Yeah, this stuff has been such a companion for me, recovering from a major chronic spine injury and taking my life back into my hands when I otherwise would have lost it to the pharmaceutical cocktail of muscle relaxants, painkillers, anti-inflammatories, etc. I'll dive into that story in a different moment, but for now, I just wanted to share how it may be able to be an ally for you.